What's up, guys? If you follow this channel, you know I've done multiple videos on the hybrid income protocol system. I love this method for two reasons. One, it doesn't have a cap. You can make unbelievable amounts of money if you just put in the work. And second, as long as you do put in the work, the money is basically guaranteed. So I've done multiple videos. I've talked about my bonuses. If you use the link in the description to make the purchase, you get all my free bonuses. You just have to email me at info@jthorno.com after you complete the purchase. I've done reviews. I have shared the VSL in another video. So I've talked about this a bunch because I think it is an unreal opportunity, but I wanted to make this video because I just saw a testimonial from a guy by the name of Chris who went through this program. And I've known about this for a while. I kind of tested the waters on the creator side of it, not on the side that this method teaches. He just showed his numbers and absolutely blew me out of the water. The day where he was showing it, he had made over $3,000. And in the 30 days leading up to that, he had made over 50K. And it sounds ridiculous, but it really is just the power of posting. You were taking clips, typically from famous people. It can be guys like Mr. Beast, I think Conor McGregor, Gary Vee. You take these clips that are already proven to be viral, you add another component, which can make it even more viral, you post it, and then you get paid from the views. Not only get paid from the views, you get paid from TikTok, you get paid from WAP, and you can get paid affiliate commissions. It is unreal. All you have to do is stay consistent and post, and every new one has the potential to stack and to continue to earn. You can post, and 3 months later, that video that you posted 3 months ago can start earning again, and they just all stack on each other. So what I want to do is just show you this testimonial from Chris. It blew me away, honestly. My team and I are very busy. We run multiple businesses, and I'm already trying to think after seeing his testimony or his testimonial how we're going to implement this as well, because it's crazy what you can do with this method. If you haven't already hopped in, use the link in the description to go check it out. But for now, here's Chris.
Hey guys, Chris here. I just wanted to shoot this real quick video and talk to you a little bit about this new money-making method that I've come across that's changed my life. It's a paid for video views method. Some of you might have heard about it and might have heard about my story. But for those of you who haven't, I actually discovered this on one of the worst days of my life. I was in the hospital. I had broken my back. Basically had a huge bulging disc. And it actually led me to discovering this method that I want to talk about. As you might have seen, it's changed my life, literally. And as I go through the training and everything, how it works and everything, I hope it's going to change yours too. I mean, that's why I'm making this video. And, really, you got to think everything happens for a reason. So let me get to showing you the method right now. I'm going to just turn my phone around here and show you. Okay, so now turn the camera around here and show you my screen and log in here to what we call the hybrid income agent dashboard. And once we log in here, it's such a cool new tool that my mentor who taught me all this created. And it's going to show you a snapshot of all the earnings that I make in one place. And when you get access to this, it'll show you everything you're earning all in one place. And I'm going to show you how to set this up inside the program. Let me just log in one moment here. Okay, so over here you can see today's earnings and then the last 30 days earnings. And as you can see, that's over $53,000 in combined earnings in the last 30 days. $53,000 in the past month. I mean, it's crazy that it wasn't too long ago that I didn't even make that much money in a year. And now I'm making that in a month. So what's cool is too, over here is a breakdown of each income stream I've set up using this system. And there's 3. And the first one that I told you about earlier is the paid for video views campaign. And you can see here today that's made me over $650 so far. The next is the second income stream, and that's from what's called the TikTok Creator Rewards Program, who will also pay you for the same video. And that's made me about $310 today over that. And it went up as I was talking. And yeah, as you can see, the earnings just go up and they update in real time. So it's cool just watching that update like that. And if we just wait, you'll see it goes up again. And that's what I love about this. It's just, I mean, it's just so fun watching this. And then for the third income stream is affiliate earnings, and still all from the same videos. Just one video that we're sharing, and that's made just under $2,000 so far today in affiliate earnings. And on the right is today's total earnings, as you can see here. Also, I can switch over to the main earnings view up here. One moment. And today's daily earnings, it keeps going up. Okay, so hopefully that inspires you to try this out. And I recommend you guys trying out the pay for video method. It's the easiest way I've seen so far to make money online. And I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to take up too much of your time. You may or may not have heard my story before. It's been a few months since I first tried this getting paid for video views method. The method was taught to me by my mentor, and it helped me pay my hospital bills, all my medical expenses after my accident with my back. And it helped me get out of this terrible money situation that I was in. Huge amount of medical bills and debt that I had. And it's hard to believe that just, I think it was about 5-6 months ago at the most, I was literally at rock bottom. I didn't even know how I was going to pay all these medical bills. I was already up to my neck in debt. My credit was destroyed. And it was just a ridiculous amount of anxiety. And I don't really want to talk about it right now on this video to you guys. Honestly, it makes me a little emotional talking about it. Hopefully, the whole point of this, me making this video, is hopefully it can be life-changing for you too. Because, when I log into my accounts and I see that the money that I've made every single day without me really even doing anything, and all I've done is share a few videos on TikTok and Instagram and getting money from 3 different income streams, it's like I keep saying, it's life-changing. And just starting with the paid for video views method, which is probably by far the fastest of the 3, and this is the easiest of the 3, which I'll go over with you, because you literally just get paid for sharing videos. There's no sales to make, no products to deal with, no customers to deal with. And again, these are just videos that other people have created. They want it to go viral, so they pay you to share them. So you get paid for these video views. And they pay you for every time there's a view. So it's so easy. And with the current state of the economy, and most countries with wars happening, so many people are just barely scraping by now and barely being able to get through the month. It's stressful. I know I was there. It causes me a lot of anxiety, and I know, a lot of other people going through that. Maybe you can relate. I don't know, but uncertainty with income and the world economy, even rumors I've heard of the government regulating your income, I've realized it's more important than ever for me to make guaranteed income. And not only that, but passive income. It's just, for me, it's just, like I keep saying this, it's life-saving, it's life-changing. And I've partnered with my friend Ricky, who's helped me get this out to more people, and hopefully you'll be able to get on board, and I'll see you on the inside, and maybe I'll get to meet you guys someday, and hopefully you guys can get to this level too. I think you can.